Hello everyone, today I'm having two models from the brand Ministation, but this is coming from the Timemicro factory. It's in a 1/64 scale. It's a limited edition made out of diecast. Here we see some information, freeze the frame if you want to read it. Non-licensed products. Let's take this one out of the plastic first. Is this the first model I got from Ministation? No, I have a couple of these models. We'll show you later in the video. Ministation comes in a display case. Let's have a closer look at this beauty. I bought it because of Dragon Ball. I'm a big fan of Dragon Ball Z. Well, big fan. I used to watch this show when I was young. And that's a long time ago. Yeah, here you see limited edition. This is number 309 out of 499. I never have a model under 10, unfortunately. I'm always above the 100. I think 124 was the closest I got to 0. No license plate. Would be cool if it had some Dragon Ball Z license plate or something. Let's have a look at the interior, because it has a really cool interior. I'm not talking about the details because it's a pretty basic interior. It got a good steering wheel, no stickers on it, but I was talking about the seats because they are yellow and they look very cool. Can you see it? A little bit of the reflection. Cool, right? Let's take it off the base. And then we can see if it's a metal base. You never know. There we go. Yep, we have a beautiful metal base. Well, I'm saying metal. No, this feels like plastic. Plastic base. Pwah, pwah, pwah. Here you can see the Timemicro logo that I was talking about. Does it have good rolling wheels? Yes. And also in the front. Yep, perfect. Okay, let's put this one right here. And then we're going to the Porsche. And this one comes with a figure. Can't remember. I ordered it with a figure, but apparently I did. Yeah, also 1/64, also Ministation. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. Again, a non-licensed product, but it is a diecast model, and it is a cool diecast model. And Timemicro makes really good Porsches. Got a lot of those in the collection. In the display case. First, we're going to have a look at the Porsche, and then we're going to have a look at the figure. By the way, I got another cool figure that fits really well with it. We'll show you that later in the video. Yeah, very nice golden rims. Good match with the yellow. Landslides. Porsche logo on the hood. Windscreen wipers not molded in the glass. raw weld, yeah. You can see it on the style. Big spoiler. And even heating in the back window and a good windscreen wiper. This one is not molded, it is glued. Really cool. Here we got the back. Here we do have a license plate. Raw welds on it. And also a good looking exhaust. Oh yeah, side mirrors with a silver sticker on it. Let's have a look in the car. It's a left-hand drive. Let's see if I can. If you can use no batteries, it's not that sharp anymore. Oh, this is better. Apparently, I was doing wrong. Pretty good steering wheel, and looks a little bit the same as this one right here. If I look at the dashboard now, no, it's different. Different steering wheel also, I think. Let's have a look. No, different steering wheel, different dashboard. Nice bucket seats. Let's have a look at the base. There we go. Also plastic base, yeah. And good rolling wheels. In the beginning of Timemicro, the wheels weren't rolling that good. Yeah, pretty good model. No Timemicro logo on this one. Yeah, really nice. Pretty good set. You can order them separately. Okay, let's have a look at the figure. Figure, where are you? Oh, you're still here. Comes with a little bit of green gum. Is she sticking out her tongue? What is this? A cigarette? Because this is looking very weird. I'm not sure if this is supposed to be like this. I have to say the eyes are really good, and the shoes and clothes. I think that she has a tool here on the side. That's really cool, but what is this? Here, take that off. Stupid. This is much better. Now it looks like she is kissing, making a duck face or something, because what the heck. Okay, we can do it like this. A little bit of green gum here on the butt. Yeah, that's a cool set. I like that. Okay, then I have another figure that goes really well with it. Wukong motorcycle doll from the brand Moreart. Wiz is also a part of Ministation Timemicro. In the beginning, these boxes were metal. They changed it. Oh, be careful, be careful, be careful. And the reason I bought it is because of this figure. Yeah, totally. Oh, it's a little bit... Whoa, this figure is really well done. Because in the picture, it doesn't have eyes. So I thought it was coming with no eyes, but look what they done. And they did really good. This figure is very pro with the Nike shoes. And this dude is ripped to the bone. Holding a fist, ready to strike. Got a nice backpack. Look at those triceps. And those shoulders. He is on steroids. This Dragon Ball Z dude. Whoa. Will it stand without any gum? No. You definitely need some of the green stuff. Got plenty of those, but whoa, what a cool figure. Well, that is awesome. Sweet. That is really cool. Whoa. And I already thought it was cool, so I ordered 2. Yeah. Sometime when it's good, I order 2. I will leave a link in the description of where it is available, where I bought it. Sometimes I forget, but you can always ask me in the comment. Also, very cool motorcycle in a 1/64 scale. Looks absolutely perfect. Or perfect, but for something that is produced in large numbers and painted by hand, hallelujah. Yeah, this is definitely cool. Wow. Does it have a standard? No. Nope. So you have to put it against something. If you wanna can lean it against the wall or something, they put this in the package too. So you can do it like this. So that's possible. They add that with every motorcycle from Moreart. Yeah. Fantastic. I love it. Okay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button. Let me know what you think about the cars, the figure. And have a very good day. Bye.